Hi guys, my name is Abigail Morrison, and this is my Module 1 presentation over vision and mission statements. Just a little bit about me before we begin. I am originally from a small town, Albert, Kansas, but I currently live in Hoisington, Kansas with my family. I have a husband of 5 years. His name is Shane, and I have a little boy who will be turning 3 next Wednesday, so wish us luck on that. He's a fiery little redhead. I do have one corgi. His name is Buckwheat. Um, Moving on, I did graduate from Fort Hays State University with a bachelor's in science. I did play softball for the university, so roll tides. Um, Currently, I teach kindergarten at Jefferson Elementary. I've been there for 6 years. That's where I started my career. I currently have 28 students, so we are trucking along through this school year. I do have some coaching experience for Great Bend High School. I coached softball for 6 years, and I am currently coaching volleyball. We just wrapped up our season. Proud of those girls. They ended the year 27-4. Moving on into the assignment, the district that I work for they are very big on their mission statement. We hear about it in every meeting. One thing I will say is we don't teach it to the kids very often, but the teachers and staff do hear it. So I guess that's one thing to look into this as I do this assignment is how could I better that? How could I get the kids more interested? But going forward, it says, what is the school's mission statement? That is one goal that everyone stands behind. It asks in the article, whom do you seek to serve? What do you seek to accomplish? And how will you proceed with what methods? It also then moves into what is a school's vision statement. To me, this guides people in how you want to be viewed as a school in the community, and it describes your highest priorities. What do you want? What do you want the school to be known as? The role and importance. It says, what is the role and importance of a school's mission and vision statement? According to the article, the school is working towards one common goal: improve student success and create consistency in education and expectations. So the role is what you want your staff and students to move forward to. Working together, how do schools' missions and vision statements work together? To me, they help according to the article, it helps guide the hiring process. And when you're hiring those teachers, are they going to move you closer to your mission statement? Are they going to push you towards the goals you're trying to obtain? Clarity and direction for a school, communication between the school and the stakeholders, keep schools moving in the right direction and focused on one goal. Basically, from my point of view, I feel like the mission and vision statements are your overall goal you're trying to reach as the school, as the staff, as the administration. So everyone needs to be working towards that goal, and you need to be able to allow the community to see what you're working towards and see how they can help work towards that as well. The process. The 4 steps: casting the vision, implementing the vision, communicating the vision, and sustaining the vision. Under casting the vision, input from stakeholders, collaborate with their leadership team. That is where you write your draft. Present draft to staff for revisions and edits. That can get a little rocky, but I feel like with a good lead, you can really break down what you're looking for. Under the implementing the vision, connecting all stakeholders, assessing the school needs, embedding and living the school mission. Communicating the vision, making a personal promise, delivering on experiences, and building a reputation. Sustaining the vision, embedding vision in daily culture, celebrating the benchmarks, hiring selectively with vision in mind, and revisiting the mission when necessary. I feel like throughout all these steps, they're all moving forward, and you as a school are trying to build that one statement that will impact and benefit the students, the teachers, the community, and everyone. So this would be moving forward as a whole. The values and priorities. What are the processes for developing an actionable mission and vision attentive to values and priorities that include data use, technology, values, equity, diversity, digital citizenship, and community? Under the data, I put the student data. Today, I feel like there's so much data out there. You could use all sorts of stuff. The student one just really stuck out to me. The technology, the surveys and questionnaires. The values, that's your school morale, or school morals and expectations. Equity and the inclusion. Diversity, the demographics of your school, the demographics of your community. digital citizenship, school websites, that is a big one. And then community, just open communication with the community. Allow those stakeholders to understand what's going on in your school, and let them feel like they're a part of what is and how they can benefit and impact in a positive way. The characteristics, the academically focused is number one. The academic growth of students is where it begins. Number two, objectives are clearly expressed, clearly communicated and expressed in writing for all to see. Three, clearly displayed everywhere in the building for all to see as well. The more you see it, the more you think about it. Four, present in the classroom, primarily driving source for when teachers plan and implement lessons. They have the mission statement in their mind, they know what they're working towards, and their lessons are working towards that one goal and benefiting the students as best they can. Five, actively modeled. All administrators and teachers should be modeling and implementing the mission statement. It starts from the top and goes down. Your administration has to try their best to implement this goal and work towards it, and then the staff will feed off of that. And this is a trickle-down effect. The students will feed off the staff. The problems. What are some common problems associated with the school's mission and vision statement? When I read this article, I kind of picked and chose what I thought. Some of the common problems are they're vague, lack of purpose, goals are unattainable, and lack of communication. When communication isn't open, that's when you run into your problems. Be transparent, be willing to work with everyone. At Great Bend, they do push our mission statement quite often. At Great Bend, the district, the mission statement is, our mission is to educate and prepare all students to become responsible citizens and lifelong learners. Every in-service, every training, we as teachers always hear this mission statement, and that is our goal that we are working towards as a whole. I don't feel like we need any changes within our mission statement, so I think that we're on the right track there. And then for me personally, I do not have a mission or vision statement, but I feel as if I hold myself to a high expectation and high morals. This assignment has made me realize that a vision statement might be beneficial, and it gave me the resources to how to create a vision and mission statement that might impact my life personally, and then how it can work towards in a future administrative role. Correlation. This assignment correlated with our learning standard because it introduced me to what a mission and vision statement are and the need for them as a district. It also showed me the benefits they both bring to a school and for the school, but not only the staff, as well as the outsiders looking into your building. How does the community see your school? The relevancy. This assignment was relevant to my learning because it introduced me to what a vision and mission statement are and the role they have in a school system. This assignment also taught me about how these statements allow for communication between the community stakeholders and the school. Personal reflection. I enjoyed this assignment because it made me look into my district vision and mission statement. We are always read our mission statement at the beginning of the year, but honestly never paid attention to the stance behind it until this assignment. This will help me build a better mission and vision statement within a building in the future. I, as a leader, feel like I almost feel like I need to practice these mission statements if I'm ever needing to make one. So overall, I think this was a good assignment. I really took a lot from it, and I feel like I have grown, and I have something to work towards now. Moving on, here is my reference page. So thank you, and good luck to everyone.